You are about to start watching a teaching video. Learn. At the National Congress of Samfias, you will participate in a Nordic Youth Congress. At the Congress there will be discussions where you will be asked to give your opinion, which is good. But it won't be ice cream, which is bad. This is a video to explain the discussion topics. Human rights are rights to live your life, regardless of who you are or where you come from. Does everybody have equal rights? Do human rights differ depending on where you live in the world? Gender equality ensures equality between all sexes for the entire community, no matter which gender one defines themselves as. Does gender equality differ depending on where you will live in the world? Education is increasingly thought of as the most important investment that states make all over the world. If you were to create a new Icelandic school system from 0 to 25 years old, how would you like it to be? Global citizenship is, in short, to be informed of and aware of matters happening around the world. What can we do to increase this awareness? How can we increase our understanding of other nations? Peaceful culture is to live in a community where peace is all around us and everyone is free to be themselves. Is it, for example, peaceful that police carry guns? Sustainable development means, amongst other things, to take care of the nature around us and to ensure the human rights of the coming generations. Sustainability means to live without harming nature or other people. Your opinion will go all the way.